Hi, good afternoon. I'm Dan Langley, MES Recruitment Headhunter here at CBSbutler, and this is Jamie Thorpe.
Hi, I'm Senior Automation Recruitment Consultant at CBSbutler.
Yeah, we're today just really keen to talk about the Pharma MES event in Berlin later this month. This will be my second time attending, Jamie's first time, and we're keen to talk through a little bit of our expectations for the event.
Yeah. Seems like a really interesting event, schedule and itinerary. What are you looking forward to most, Dan?
Yeah, looking forward to seeing how the event's developed since last year. Last year was the 6th annual event, so this year I think it's going to be even bigger and better, and we're delighted to be hosting a roundtable Challenge Your Peers session on how do you stay ahead in the war on talent.
Which is a huge challenge for everybody in the industry at the moment, the lack of talent and how you can find the best available people.
Yeah, one of the biggest challenges that we're looking to overcome is securing the right calibre of person at the right time, and what measures and metrics you can put in place to secure that you have the right people to deliver the project adequately, correctly the first time around.
And it's about having a strategy that you can put into place that is both long-term and dynamic as well.
Yeah, no, sure. So typically with unemployment levels across Europe at an all-time low, I think below 2 or 3% in some instances, which is unheard of. The manufacturing sector is going through a period of extended prosperity, a lot of investment, a lot of exciting projects, and to be honest with you, it's becoming harder and harder to draw people from their current employment where they're settled, they're paid well, they're looked after, and make them take the risk in finding something new and the challenge, all of the challenges that go with that.
I think it's also about assisting our clients and helping their brand offer a value proposition to any talent that's out there outside of remuneration and that kind of thing.
No, agreed, and a lot of the times you can't purely just use money as a motivator to move. I think it attracts the wrong mentality and it doesn't always promote career development. Naturally, it's engineering and specifically pharmaceutical manufacturing engineering is a contract-led market, but a lot of our clients struggle to find candidates on a permanent basis, and we want to help them differentiate themselves from being just another organisation who are looking to hire.
No, I think that's a very good point.